Hi guys, my name is Gabriele Filosofi. I'm not very skilled in multimedia storytelling, but anyway I will talk to you about an exciting story. Some days ago my father-in-law Maurizio pulled out from his garage this amazing machine that turned out to be an invaluable, important piece of hardware from a historical point of view. The name of the machine is Divisumma-24, and it was the state-of-art of desktop electromechanical calculators in the mid part of the last century, until the advent of the electronic devices. It has a keyboard and a printer. The arithmetic unit inside was invented by an ingenious technician by the name Natale Capellaro in 1956, when he worked at Olivetti, an important Italian company. After he invented the Divisumma, he became something like the vice CTO for the company. The designer of the external case, which is this one, here you are, the external case, was Nizzaro, another important designer. Some few other models were developed. Spending an extra cost, you may have a deluxe version called the Tetractis, which had two arithmetic units, but the Divisumma-24 was by far the most popular, and more than 1 million of units were sold from 1956 to 1971. By the way, 1971 was exactly the year an important Italian guy, Federico Faggin, invented, or better said, created the first microprocessor, the 4004. And that was the end for the technology this machine is based on. Okay, the machine is made almost entirely in soft iron and steel. Its weight is about 16 kilograms. If you look on the back side, there is an electric motor, 70 watts, and a large capacitor. The speed of rotation of the main camshaft inside is about 235 rotations per minute. The Divisumma was an office machine typically used for business. It can add, subtract, multiply, divide operands up to 12 digits long. Through a vertical window which is placed on the front of the case, you can see a vertical white rotating cylinder which is showing up the number of digits you have just typed. The result, which can be 30 digits long, is printed on the telly roll, which represents your worksheet. This calculator has some figure, the ability to store some figure for later use, so that you can multiply two or three factors without the need to retype anything, intermediate results, nothing. This is not needed. Let's get started to perform some simple operations. So let's add, for example, 125 plus 689. And here you are, the results. Fantastic, fantastic. You might be, a little bit surprised to know that there is no on-off switch. There is not on-off switch because the Divisumma-24 is always on when the power cord is plugged to the mains. Indeed, it is not an electronic device, as you probably know. Every electronic device which is ready to get in the input from the user is drawing current somewhere. This is not the case for this electromechanical machine. It draws current just only when you type a button, when you press any of the buttons. And now let's get the division. So 1, 5, 6, 9, 4, 5 divided by 12. Incredible. Oh guys, I'm an engineer, and I can can assure you that even for me it's hard to figure out what's going on behind this crazy noisy movement of hundreds of wheels, rods, levers, springs. I don't know. You can find one of this machine in any important museum or exhibition throughout the world. I hope you have enjoyed, as I have, taking a look of the Divisumma-24 at work. Thank you for your attention.